Hey everyone, and welcome to Power BI for the modern professionals. In this series is your roadmap to becoming a Power BI expert. We are starting at ground zero and building up mind-blowing dashboards and AI insights. In this first episode, we are covering the absolute essentials. What is Power BI? How to get it on your computer and how to navigate it. Even how to create your own sample data if you don't have any. Let's jump in. So, what exactly is Power BI? It's Microsoft's powerful business intelligence tool for visualizing data and sharing insights. It lives in three main parts: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and Power BI Mobile. Power BI Desktop, this free application, is where you'll all do the heavy lifting, connecting to data, transforming it, building your data model, and designing reports. Next, the Power BI Service. This is the cloud platform for publishing your reports, creating interactive dashboards, and sharing them securely with others. And finally, Power BI Mobile. View your reports and dashboards on the go, anytime, anywhere, right from your mobile devices. Our focus today and for most of this series will be on Power BI Desktop. If you want me to make a video of Power BI Service and Power BI Mobile, drop a comment below. All right, first thing first, let's get Power BI Desktop installed on your computer. The easiest and most recommended way is through the Microsoft Store. This ensures you always get the latest updates automatically. Nonetheless, this is another way to download Power BI. Go to the website link given and click on download. It will also take you to Microsoft Store. Okay, or you can just directly go to Microsoft Store, search for Power BI Desktop, and then it's the same. You can download it, you go here, and you see the install button. Click that and make sure it's a Power BI Desktop. Once you click on that, it's getting ready. The download installation will happen automatically in the background. So you see these screenshots, everything is doable through Microsoft Power BI. So it's installing. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. Right. So it's almost done. Now what you have to do is once it's finished, you can find Power BI Desktop in your start menu, or you can directly simply click open from the Microsoft Store page itself. Go ahead and launch it. Before we even touch Power BI, let's solve a common problem. I don't have any data. No problem at all. In today's AI world, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a sample data set. This is fantastic skill for practicing your own data or mock-up data. Yeah. So I'll just click on the new browser, ChatGPT. I'll open it and I'll put a prompt asking for a sales data set. Create a sample sales data in CSV format. Use it the same data set for our modeling in Power BI. After that's done, we'll just navigate into our Power BI. So this is the main window. It tells about the various sources: blank report, one lake catalog, Excel workbook, SQL Server, learn from sample data, and get data from other resources. So what we'll do is we'll click on get data from other resources. Okay, so this is the main playground of Power BI. Okay, so it's just trying to work on it and it will throw some pop-ups. Yeah, get data. So there are multiple options how we can integrate the various data: SharePoint, folder, Microsoft Access, SQL, even the cloud access. The clouds we can also use Azure platform. And so you see there are a lot of options here through which we can integrate into Power BI. So I'm just sharing the screen to see or to show you how vast the capability is for Power BI. You can integrate anything into Power BI, whatever is your data source, whatever is the format of data. And broadly, it is also classified on the left-hand side. Like if you click on file, what kind of files you can import: databases, Fabric, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and other. So this is a category, different category under which all the resources of data has been categorized. Okay, so right now we'll select file, Excel workbook, and the location where we have stored our file, we'll just try to pull that. Okay, Power BI, option, we'll select the data which we have created. All right, so this is the sales data. I've opened it. So now if you see, it will connect to it and it will try to download everything here. So here, this is a very interesting page. We have various options like load, transform data. So we'll talk about this in coming episodes, the entire concept of what is loading and when do we transform data. As of now, we are just using the load options. It is simple. We have just used the same column IDs which were there. It is just a replica of Excel which has come here, or a CSV format which is here visible right now. Okay, so it will show all the rows based on first 200. Okay, now this is what I have created from ChatGPT, uploading it here for data modeling. Okay, I'll click on load, transform data. We'll talk about it. Right. So after I click on load data, it is loading entire report over here. So you see on top there are pending changes in your queries that haven't been uploaded. So it will be apply, don't apply. There are various methods coming forward. And these are the main menus of the playground of Power BI. We have report view, we have table view. Okay, so we'll talk about it everything in detail. So you see here our data is showing up in a tabular format. Then we have model view. We will be creating different models here. How we are going to create it, we'll talk about it. The DAX, it is all about the query. If anyone is very good into scripting, they can write their own script and connect the databases. So this is for every, even if you are just knowing a drag and drop, you can use it. Or if you know a query, you can use it. So there are various critical functions: get data, insert, modeling. So we'll be all playing with this, enter data, how we are going to transform data. So these are the options through which we are going to work on it. And then lastly, we'll publish it. So then we publish it. And this on the right hand side, you have various visualization. This is how my reports will be visualized. The sales data set which you see here will be using with all these options, how we are going to design it on this ground. You see this build visuals with your data. So here we'll be dragging up and we'll be using various menus to create our own first report here. Okay, so this, you see the first one, visualization, build visual. So we'll talk about it everything here. And the most important thing before we sign off is just about the visual thing. Once we have loaded the data sets are done here. We see that, and tomorrow we'll be playing around with this. So what we are going to do is we are going to save it. So for saving, we just close it, and that is what I'm just showing here, how we are saving it. So you close it, it will ask you to save it, mark save, and this mark, just remember the Power BI has an extension of PBIX. So whenever we have to pull the data, we have to see what is the PBIX file, and it is saved. So we'll select a place where we'll be saving this, and we'll just type first uh, first project on Power BI, right? Okay, so that's it, saved, and we are ready to open. Incredible work. You have installed Power BI, used AI to create your own data set, imported it, and taken a full tour of the Power BI desktop. You have officially taken your first steps into the world of data analysis. In our next episode, get ready to become a data sculptor. We are diving deep into the powerful Power Query editor to clean, transform, and shape our data like a pro. This is where you make your data truly usable. If you found this episode valuable, please hit that like button, share your questions below, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Ready for industry. You absolutely don't want to miss a single episode in this game changing series. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the episode 2. Bye for now.